So this is the Euro Yen analysis for Monday 13th of November. Now let's just have a quick look what happened on the 10th. So on the 10th we honestly, let's grab the pen. So in around, it was the 9th essentially, we've come down to the bottom of the range, being 131.70 all the way up to 134. Essentially it should be 134.40, but about 134. Now we're in the lower end of the range and we've got a positive reaction, and what we've seen is prices move up. Now we're in the middle of nowhere essentially at the moment, so we would expect further retracement to the upside. The very next level we'll be looking at is the 3283 period moving average, which is pretty close by. So we're likely to around this level here, we're likely to encounter some resistance from the 400 period moving average, but more often than not the sorry about that. So not only the 400 period moving average, but this horizontal weekly pivot in around 8783. Now it's going to have a look for potential targets. So let's just zoom out a little bit. Here we are. So we were looking at see how prices react in around there, where we do turn around and head back down to what might be the 3270. Well, that's where we are at present. So all the way down to 132.02 the 32.02 the weekly pivot, or all the way down to 31.70, which is lower end of the range. Now to the upside, if we do break, hold and continue, we're looking at 33.45 as a potential target. I can't anticipate prices getting much beyond that on Monday, so that's a potential target. We're just going to have a look at the daily. Let's just see where we are. So if we have a look at the daily chart, so on this daily chart we can see here pretty clearly the level of 31.70 is constantly being tested. More recently we've had what might be just a double bottom here on the euro against Japanese yen, so we do look poised for another retest of that 134 level. So let's just have a look at the weekly chart. So on this weekly chart we can see here that there has been some buying momentum that has come into the market, and we've not seen a massive sell like we have in the past. So yeah, so overall let's grab the pen, actually makes it easier. Overall the trend is to the upside, but we do appear to be negating the somewhat bullish candle that we, well, not bullish, bearish candle that we had, the news related candle in regards to the ECB. So we haven't seen a continuation so far to the downside, so we could potentially take that as being well, let's word it differently. So we are currently negating the effectiveness of the trigger candle, this very strong bearish candle. So we're having, yeah, I could have put this another way. So this bearish candle, we expected continuation. We have not seen continuation. Instead, we've seen a retracement. So negate the bearishness of the candle, and instead turn around and head towards the go on to test the top of the channel, which we are, and break from that all the way up to 135.60. Now let's just have a look at the monthly chart before we wrap up here. So I'm just going to have a look at the monthly chart. So over here on the monthly chart, we can see we've had lows. Let's just grab the pen. We've had lows and we've had higher lows. We've had very strong candles here on the euro yen on a monthly chart. Candles closing near their highs, indicating strong buy. Candles closing near their highs, indicating strong buying momentum has come into the market, and we do appear to be stalling a little bit at the moment, which is to be expected. Markets pretty much don't continue upwards, and we've had some retracements here and there. So overall, a very strong monthly trend. Candles closing near their highs, but with yard do a bit of a pullback, which we seem to be at the moment after finding resistance in around at 135. Well, let's finding some finding some resistance in around the 134 before we got up to 135. So we are trading in a bit of a range at the moment. Hate to emphasize it that much, but yeah, we're trading a bit of a range, and the overall trend is to the upside. So we might get some retracement before we get continuation all the way up to possibly this 140 level. Now that should wrap up the euro yen analysis. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.